friends, it's Miss Erin from the Herrick District Library here with kind of a fun song for you. Do you know the song Sleeping Bunnies, where we all go to sleep and then when Miss Erin wakes you up, we hop? What if we changed some of the words and we did different motions and we pretended to be different animals? Doesn't that sound fun? I thought maybe we could pretend at first to be sleeping dinosaurs, and then we could stomp like dinosaurs. So instead of hopping, we'd get up and stomp. Can you pretend to be a dinosaur who is all curled up, asleep? And then I'm gonna wake you up and I want you to stomp your biggest stomps, okay? Are you asleep? Here we go. See the little dinosaur sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us gently wake them with a merry tune. Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up soon. Shh. Wake up, dinosaurs, and stomp, little dinosaur, stomp, stomp, stomp. 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 Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Did you stomp really good, dinosaurs? I bet you did. How about we do it again? Only this time, we pretend we're butterflies. How do butterflies move? They fly, don't they? So I want you to curl up on the floor. Pretend to be a sleeping butterfly with beautiful wings. And then when I wake you up, I want you to fly around the room. Are you ready? Here we go. See the little butterfly sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us gently wake them with a merry tune. Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up soon. Shh. Wake up, butterflies, and fly, little butterflies, fly, fly, fly. 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 Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. Great job, butterflies. I have one more. How about we use our imaginations and we pretend to be froggies? How do frogs move? They hop too, right? Or we can say that they jump. Can you curl up on the floor like a little frog that's asleep? And then get ready to jump like a frog when I wake you up, but not until I wake you up. Okay? Here we go. See the little froggies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us gently wake them with a merry tune. Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up soon. Shh. Wake up, froggies, and jump, little froggies, jump, jump, jump. 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 Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Great job, froggies. Grown-ups, it's really fun and imaginative for us to come up with different lyrics using some of our favorite tunes. So try that. Try and pick a favorite song. Maybe it's Farmer in the Dell. Maybe it's Mary Had a Little Lamb. Maybe it's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. See if you can make up some new lyrics to go along with it. This will help them. You can do some rhyming words. That helps, right? We can learn some new rhyming words. And we get to tell stories, which helps us with our narrative skills. Thanks so much for joining us today, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.